Hey everybody, welcome to Warrior Daily. We're ending this week with Mike Horn, the head coach of the men's golf team at Wayne State. Coach, we talked to you a few weeks ago as your season was just kind of getting underway. You have a few tournaments under your belt, some ups, some downs. Take me through it from your viewpoint.
Well, some ups and downs for sure. We've got a young squad now. We had an injury, which we'll mention in a minute here, but Josh Matrokas played really well. Played really strongly, winning the first week, obviously, and then has played well since. And we had some young guys that are really close. And then you look at the record, and we're not too happy with that record, but really it comes down to one stroke per guy per round. And if we get that buttoned up here, we got a chance to compete this weekend. And you look at the record so far, you'd say, no, we don't have a very good chance, but we do. We're really close. We've been working on lag putting, working on par 5 scoring. Boy, if we get that knocked out here this week, we're gonna give them a good run.
Well, there's definitely some good news, bad news aspects to look at here. I guess we'll start with the bad news. You touched on it. Eric Johnson, your senior co-captain, down with injury right now. How is he responding to that, and how has the team responded?
Well, yeah, Eric's done for the year. He's having surgery October 14th, 32nd in the country last year. A big loss for us, and we've got talent behind him. Those young guys just don't have that experience yet, and we've got a number of them that played okay the last 3-4 weeks. Hopefully this week they start to gel, and it really boils down to some real simple things that they're just not used to yet, and that's lag putting, not having to go really low, just making pars, and they're starting to get that. We're working on that in practice, and hopefully this week we get it to gel.
Well, hopefully it's the old one door closes, another opens,
Absolutely.
And you'll have one of your young guys step up and walk through that door, left behind by the loss of Eric Johnson for the year. Turning to the good news, you started to talk about Josh Matroka. He was a guy who, on Warrior Daily a few weeks ago, you thought could be one of the guys to step up and really take hold of one of those starting positions. Medalist in the first weekend of the season, has played pretty consistently throughout the first few tournaments. You've got to be pleased with him.
He's our best player right now, no doubt about it. Josh is really just scratching the surface as well. And it's kind of interesting, most of the really good players, their sophomore year is their breakout year, and he's already proven that. So we need all 5 guys to get a little bit better. And last week we finished 12th place, but only 20 shots out, and 20 sounds like a lot, but when you break it down, 2 days, 4 guys, you're talking 2 shots a guy, and we're real close to making that happen. And after watching baseball last night, we believe in comebacks. So we're hoping that the comeback starts this week for us.
Yeah, absolutely. Looking ahead, you've obviously got a big weekend coming up. You're coming off of the first regional of the season. So you've had that week of practice in between. What's really been your focus as you're still trying to juggle some of your plans and determine a starting 5 for the GLIACs?
Trying to figure out the starting 5. Everybody's playing real hard in practice. Just left there, matter of fact, to come here. But when you look at GolfStat rankings and GolfStat stats, par 5 scoring, the number of pars we make, and 3 putts. Those are our 3 things that we're working on, and we get that ironed out. This time next week, I could be really happy. So looking forward to seeing who steps up. We're continually working. The guys got great spirit. We're doing great workouts. Everybody's doing what they need to do. It's just lack of experience, and hopefully these first 3 weeks have proven that timetable shortening up.
Sunday, Monday in Lansing coming up this weekend, the GLIAC Championship Tournament. A little bit different this year in that it's on somewhat of a neutral site. So what, if anything, do we know about this course, some of the strengths, how that can play to your team's advantage?
We've got 3 guys in the line, 3 guys in our roster that play the course quite a bit, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that those are the 3 guys that play best this week. Trying to line that up. You try to play the guys that know the course. You're also trying to play the guys that are playing the best. There are a couple real difficult holes, and there'll be teams making doubles and triple bogeys on those holes, where if we can limit that damage when those holes are playing difficult and into the wind, we're going to come out okay. So that's our focus. We know the 4 or 5 holes that are going to really cause problems for everybody. Trying to minimize those problems for us.
All right, Coach. Well, best of luck. We'll hope for some good results.
Hope so.
All right. That's Mike Horn, head coach of the men's golf team here at Wayne State, and this week of Warrior Daily. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.